In this video we're going to look at how to stretch curves, and when we're looking at stretching curves the function is going to have one of two forms. It's either going to have the form f equals ax, which means it's being stretched in a horizontal direction because the scale factor is scaling up the x coordinate, and so we've got a horizontal stretch, and the scale factor is going to be 1 over a. So for instance, f of 2x, well, x is changing twice as quickly as it was, so it's actually going to visibly have a scale factor of 1 over a, so 1 over 2. So it will appear to be squashed up. Now in this case we have a vertical stretch because it's applied to the whole function, and so that's affecting the y coordinates, and this will have a scale factor of a, so whatever the y coordinates are of the function, then a multiplied by the function, the y coordinate is going to be multiplied by a, so that's the scale factor of a. So we're going to apply that to a couple of curves and see what we get. So first of all we're going to look at this function and we're going to see how it appears when we multiply all the x coordinates by 2, so it's the function of 2x. So if all the x coordinates are changing twice as quickly, then what's actually going to happen is the intersection is only going to appear half as far away. This turning point is going to be half as far away, and when I say half as far away I'm talking about from the line x equals 0, and this is going to be half as far away as well. So when I've got my key features of my graph, I can sketch those. So this turning point is the same height, this turning point is the same height, but the actual changes appear half as far away from the y-axis as they did before. So what is it going to appear if I have the second function here, so the second transformation? Well, here all my y coordinates are going to double. So the y coordinate here is 0, so double 0 is still 0. The y coordinate here is going to double, and double 0 is still 0. This y coordinate is going to double 2 is 4. So if I look at how this will appear, it's going to be much the same, but all my values are stretched vertically, so all of my key feature is going to be twice as far away from the x-axis as they were previously. Now I'm going to apply the same kind of idea to look at these two functions. So this one, I'm looking at y equals half of fx, so all the y coordinates are going to be halved, which means that this intercept is half the height it was, and this turning point is half the height it was as well. Still going to cross at the same points though. And if I look at this second one, so f of half x, so all the x coordinates are going to be twice as far away as they were originally. So instead of at -3, it's going to be out here at -6. Instead of this being at -1, it's going to be twice as far out at -2. appear to be that shape.